In this video, I will explain about the Go types. Go data types. Data type is an important concept in programming language. One data type specifies the size and type of a variable values. Go is statically typed programming language, as meaning that once a variable type is defined, it can only store data of that type. This is the statically typed programming language concept. In Go, we have different type of data types. That one is Boolean data types, numeric data types, string data types, and derived data types. Boolean data types means they are Boolean types and they consist of two predefined constants that are one is true and one is false. Next one is a numeric data types. They are again arithmetic types and they are represent the integer data types, floating point data types also, and the complex data types. Next one is a string data type. A string types represent the set of string values. Its value is a sequence of bytes. Strings are immutable types that is once created. It is not possible to change the contents of a string. This is a pre-declared string. String type is a string data type. Next one is a derived data type. Derived data types it include the pointer types, array types, structure types, union types, function, slice, interface, map, channel. These are the derived data types. Then I will show one example of the different type of data types. First I declare the package functionality, package main. Then I represent the function main. Then I will declare a variable for declaring the Boolean data types. That's one. A is bool equal to true. Next one is var b. This is integer data types is equal to 5. Next one is var c floating point data type like 1, 1, 3, 4. This is a different type of this is one Boolean data types, integer data type, and floating point data type, and we have the string data types also. Then var str string hello world. Then we can print the different type of data types. And declare the str is to d. Then run the program. Go types. Here we can show the type different type of data types in this program. Next I will explain about the Boolean data type. A Boolean data type is declared with the variable Boolean keyword, and we can only take the value as a true or false. Default value of a Boolean data type is false. Example, I will declare the variable var abc as bool. Then I will print the boolean as can show the default value as false. False here. We can assign the different type of two types of boolean value into the one variable. Like once you assign the boolean value as true, or we can assign the value as false also here. Only one is possible, like one is true or false. We can declare the value as a boolean type data types. Next one is the integer integer data types. Integer data types means this used to store a number of all number without this have a decimal number. It's like not like in integer data type we can't store the floating point number. Only store the integer number. Integer number in integer number we have the signed integer number and unsigned integer number. We can store both data in different unsigned and the signed integer data type. In signed integer data type we have the we have the keyword int, like for ABC I have the int value. Then I can store the value integer value here, and var xyz int equal to, you can store the can bring the type of a variable here. When I run the program, here the type as int and value as the run with a new line. First the type is in, the value is 7. Next one is type is also in and the value is minus 300. And we have the different type of integer value, like int normal int. Then we have the int 8. In int 8 it's stored only the 8 bits of data. Then we have the int 16 and store the 16 bit of data. Then we have the 32. It's here it store the 30 bit of data, and next one is the int 64, and it's also store the 64 bit of data. The next one we have the unsigned integers. Unsigned integers means it's declare one of the unsigned data. In here we are use the keyword as u, then int here the keyword is means uint. This is the keyword used for declaring the unsigned integer data type. Here only store the non-negative values. I'll example with some integer unsigned data. Var x equal to 500. Then I will print the type %t value %v then x comma x. And the type is unsigned, then value is 500. In unsigned data type also we have the 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit character data type. That means we have the var unsigned int 32 you int 32, and we have the and in the 64 we have 16. This type of unsigned data type also we have in Go language. Next we have the floating point data type. Floating point data types means it is used to store the positive and negative numbers with the decimal points. It's like 1.34, 3.14. That type of data we can store in the floating point data type. Let's say here I declare the variable as x, and the floating point number is in floating point we have the 32-bit and 64-bit data type. Then so I declare the x as float 32-bit character. Then I add the numbers like 500.123, and I will print the fmt dot println, sorry, printf type percentage t value percentage v, then I will print the xx, then run the program. You can show the float 32 and the values 500.123. Float 64 data is used to store the large set of number than the float 32. It's like float, for example, like float 64, I will write an example like 1.867 e plus 308. Then I will print the variable as here we can store the large bit of floating point data type in the float 64 data type. Next one is the string data type. The string data type used to store the sequence of characters like text value. The string value must be surrounded by the double quotes. I'll explain with an example. Once I created a variable like ABC, then I declare the string as the data type, then I put the equal to, then I put the double quotes. In between the double quotes I put the value like hello John. This is the type of declaring the string data type. From t.printf type percentage t value percentage v, then abc. Then I'll run the program. This is the type the string and the values hello John. The default string value is empty string. That's like if I print a value, then I declare a value as xyz, then assign the value as string and not assign any value. Then I will print the type and value of xyz. Here we can show the, okay, and put the new line. The next one is string, and the value is empty string. The default value is empty string. This is the Go data type, and the one different type of data types included in Golang, and the the basic working of the Go data type in Go programming language.